She left her diary in the drawer, hidden from everyone. The bird flew through the window and disappeared into the sky. He was waiting at the station when the rain began. They walked hand in hand along the shore as the sun set. Five. She was born in a small village surrounded by hills. He leaned against the wall, tired but smiling. The picture hung over the fireplace for years. We met at a rainy evening when the streets were empty. He carefully placed the flowers into the vase. The cat was hiding under the table, waiting to jump.